Clean off the tracks.
That.
Your vacuum. You gotta turn it off.
I can't vacuum. I can't vacuum.
Cooper, you need to turn off your vacuum.
Go turn off your vacuum. Push it up. 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 I think you guys up. Push it down.
You did it.
Good job.